Hello everyone, welcome back again to another cooking video. In today's recipe, I share with you all how I make this delicious peanut soup, aka groundnut soup, that you can enjoy with any swallow of your choice. This soup is so yummy, it's so delicious. If you want to see how I make this delicious soup, keep watching guys. Keep watching, make sure you watch this video to the end. All right guys, in my pot I've already cooked my meat. Okay, then I went ahead, I added in my blended dry pepper, onions and crayfish. Then I added more water, then I allowed it to boil for a minute or so. Then after that I added in my palm oil and maggi and salt. Okay, I didn't show that off camera. A clip was missing. Okay, you know sometimes you just miss a clip. Then I went ahead and let it to boil for about 5 minutes. All right, mind you, the meat I've already cooked. Okay, it's 90% ready guys. Then I added in my blended peanut. Okay, the peanut was a raw peanut. I went ahead and oven dried my peanut. Then I just blend it with some onions. Okay, then I'm adding it to it right now. As you can see, I stir it up guys, I stir it together. If you're new here, you're welcome. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure to give the video a thumbs up and make sure to share out the video guys. Share. Then after stirring, I cover it, allow it to cook for about 10 minutes guys. This 10 minutes the soup is already coming together. It's already smelling amazing. Then I added in my bitter leaf guys. I added in my bitter leaf. You can add any leaf of your choice, but this peanut soup I'm adding bitter leaf. Then I went ahead and adding my tilapia fish that I oven dried. This fish is so dried guys, and I deboned the fish, the tilapia fish. I made sure I took out the bones. Then I just put it inside. Then I cover it, I like to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes again. So far so good. The soup is smelling so good, man. Peanut soup is amazing guys. If you want to get the best, just make your whole peanut. You buy the raw peanuts, then soak it inside warm water with salt, then drain it, then just put inside the oven, allow it to dry. Okay, if you use that kind of peanut to cook this soup, man, you go bite your finger. Then I added salt guys, salt to taste. Everything looks so good, everything looks so yummy guys. This soup was I cover it, I like to cook for a minute or two. Our soup is ready guys. Look at it, look at the soup. And once about the soup, it look what right now, not that bad, but once it get cool, by the time you take it out of the fire, then it's good to get more thicker. Yeah, this is the consistency I want. It's good like this. It's okay, man. Enjoy this soup. Eat this soup with starch. Oh, you go bite your finger, or with padania or oatmeal swallow. But my favorite swallow to eat peanut soup is starch. I love eating peanut soup with starch guys. At this point the food is ready. It's time to deliver. It's time to serve again. Once again, this is an order for a special person. The soup is ready guys. Time for me to just put it inside the container, then ready to be delivered. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the love and the support. May God bless every one of you. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, and make sure to comment also what kind of swallow will you enjoy this soup with. Okay, thank you all for watching. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video, share the video with your friends and family. Thank you, that's all I can say. Thank you so much guys for the support. May God continue to guide and protect every one of you, and compliment of the season to you guys. Compliment of the season to every one of you. Have a Merry Christmas in advance and a prosperous New Year in advance. I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. For those of you who share my video, for those of you who like my video, for those of you who comment on my video, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll see you guys in my next one. Make sure to share, guys. Make sure to share. I'm begging, share my video, share, and give the video a thumbs up, guys. Thumbs up the video. If you watch the video, thumbs up, and tell me where are you watching me from, okay? And if you are still watching, you haven't subscribed, but what are you waiting for? Subscribe and follow. Bye everyone. I'll see you all in my next one. One love, keep us together. Stay safe, stay blessed, and have a nice day. Bye bye.